Hello everybody, and let's continue where we left off. Where that was, it was in content if I remember right, and after profile we did all the profiles from here, the explaining part, and now we go to profile pictures. Alright, what we see here is our profile picture right over there, and what we can do is we can change it. And how? We can upload a new one, we can delete the current one, or we can change it to this boring thing over here that you see no picture in. Yeah, that's just boring. But alright, that now we have this Finnish actor over here, Turhaporo Uno, over here as our default picture. Now how to change from that or delete it or whatsoever. If we want to delete it, we click over here, we put delete, and over here we click it once more, and that should delete the picture. And after that we just get the standard or external avatar over here. But I don't want to delete that now. But the most important thing for new people that are using this, how to add a new picture, and that goes from over here, browse. Now let's see if I can find any pictures. Well, for example, if this was a picture, I just click it and open over here and should be fine. You can browse any picture from your computer, downloads, favorites, local disk, whatever. But let's not do that now because you have the option to choose what picture you ever want. Then we can give a title, for example, my profile picture over here, right, like this, and we can click upload. And then you should go over here and you can change whichever ones you want to be your profile picture. Now I actually want to change this to this, and let's see how it's done. We click here, it's the default option button, and we set default. It might ask you something, the page, leave the page. Yes, we want to leave the page like that. And see, here it's changed, and now it's just a boring thing without a picture. Now the good thing about pictures that you have in here, let's change it back, in Mahara, is that you're actually recognizable as a person, as a human being. So that's very good. That's very good. And we want you to be a human being in here, not some boring avatar that no one cares about. Your picture can be very simple, just a little bit at least of your face. If you get it here, it's great. And you know, just to give this computer interface some kind of like face of a human, to make it more nicer. Last thing we can do, let's skip the profile pictures for now. Let's go to files, from content, files, over here. What can we do here? We can add files. It says images, documents, or other files for inclusion in pages. And what does this mean? We can, if we're example doing a blog or journal over here, or resume, or plans, notes, anything of these, pretty much we can add some files over here. For example, we want to add pictures, you know, nice pictures from some trip we did. For example, I was on a business trip to Sweden for 3 weeks, and I want to tell about my business trip here over here in Mahara and tell about my experiences and what I learned over there. It was a real big trip, by the way, so I can add, for example, pictures, really nice pictures to, you know, emphasize what happened on the trip, to give people a good view, like what did I do over there. It should be good. And now how to actually add these pictures and documents. I'm going to add a document which I have over here in my desktop, and what I do here is well, it says drop files here to upload. Looks pretty simple. We can do that, or we can browse the file like we did over here with the profile picture. Browse over here. Yeah, and one thing to remember is, yes, the file I'm attempting to upload is my own, so at least, you know, have permission, or if it's your own, then you can use it and click yes before you do, and then you can just, you know, drag and drop over here like that. And this file over here has been uploaded. Success. And now I see it over here, right over here. Yeah, I added, this is the date, 17th of September 2014. Okay, that's nice. And we can even create a folder if we want to, yeah, you know, separate these files for like Sweden trip images. Let's do that. And then we can put like blog files that we want to put out here. And let's see, maybe we can even drag or drop these things. Well, let's say this was a picture, which is not, but let's say it is, and drag it to the Sweden images. Oh, there it went. Wow, this is stunning. Alright, and the next one, we have blog files. We can change the folder over here. Just drag it over there. We can find it from here. And if we want to go back, just click the arrow up and you should be fine, like that. Alright, let's put it to full screen back. Next thing, journal. Oh yes, journal. So what do we have here? We have a blog that I've actually written 2 times now. One was from today, one was about a week ago, 11th and 17th of September. Alright, so what can we do here? If you have something you want to write about in your work, in your school, anything you're doing that you want to add here, like a blog. Yes, everyone knows what a blog is, hopefully, or a journal. So let's make a new one. I guess you don't have one yet, so let's give a name for this. My test journal over here. Font. Let's do a nice font, Arial. Hello everybody. This is the new journal, new test journal that I would like everyone to try out. Alright, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We can change the fonts. For example, this one could be like 5, like that, and this one could be just 1, and that one could be like maybe even bigger. Yeah, and we can have all kind of stuff, text editing based things. You can, you know, choose where to set your view text, and of course give a little color. It's like a text editor basically. You can do stuff, you can have pictures, files, insert, edit image, clean up messy code. Well, we don't need that. Well, anyway, you get the idea. There's even smileys over here, which is a nice bonus. Let's do a little angel over here. Nice, hey? And then you know what tags are? We can, you know, use tags. Okay, let's see here. This is some tag that I previously used on my other blog over here. But let's make a new tag like hashtag first blog. Oh, let's put test blog. Okay, test blog. And that should be my tag. If someone is searching me by tags, I can just, you know, get it to be there as test blog. Okay. Actually, this is not Instagram, so we don't need this hashtag over here. But if it doesn't work, you can try it with the Instagram hashtag. If someone is trying to search for you, enter comma separated tags for this item. So, just like that. Test blog, first time. You can put any kind of tags like new student, whatever. There's many kinds of things you can do over here. And the next thing, what there are attachments, like I said to you over here in the files over here. So you can add, if you uploaded some file, anything, so you can add a file from here. Well, you can do the same thing, just, you know, not even going to the file place, but you can just drag and drop straight over here. You don't need to upload them before, but if you want to upload many files at a time and just organize them in your folders, it would be nice. So if I can maybe choose like oh, I have a picture over here, let's choose that one. Pretty nice. Select. Alright, upload. Yes, that's our file. Actually, we don't need it since we already uploaded. And if we want it to be visible to everyone, or if you want it to be a draft, which means that no one except you can see it, you can click the option over here. So if you want it to be public, don't click it, just leave it blank. But if you want to still edit and keep editing it, you can click it and come back to it later, and it won't get published until you publish it. And then allowing comments. Do you want people to comment your blog? Why not? For me, I don't care. So I'll just save yes. Now we have here my test journal, which says over here, and let's see what happens. Save entry. Alright, so now I have this is my third journal over here. Let's see how it shows up. Attached files. Well, I gave it a file. Oh, nice picture, eh? Looks like me, huh? Let's go back. And that's it for journal files and profile pictures. And on the next video, we're gonna be doing resume, plans, and notes. See you later, and thank you for watching.